Hey, this is Jeff with We Software Solutions. Today we're going to talk about how E-Z-MRP can drive the XiXLogistics shop floor management software. So let's take a look inside of E-Z-MRP. From the main menu, go to the material planning, and we're going to go to the demand side. And we're going to look at the widgets. So these are two orders that I just put in. Sales order 12-377 line 1 and sales order 12-377 line 3. And so we have a total of 5 each. This work order button, when you click this work order button to post the work order onto the supply, to create a work order on the supply side, it will simultaneously send that same work order with a little bit more information over to the logistics shop floor management system. As you can see, the work orders are now created on the supply side. And then if we go to our work order, our logistics work order here, and I'll go down here in the list, and there we are right here. SO 12-377. So what it's doing is, I better change the date here. It's 11/17. We'll save that. So it grabbed a little bit more information for us. It's telling us that this is for, it brings up not a trail. Anytime you make a change in the management system, the shop floor management system, it's going to record all of your changes. So it tells me a work order, and it shows me that this is belonging to Rick's Roadhouse. We're building a widget. The description does not autofill. Usually somebody goes in and they will create a different subscription. That description could be a process. It could be the part they're building. It could be somebody's name. It could be anything, but it's related to the work order, not the part you're building. And over here, you have your quantity ordered. You can show your quantity shipped and your quantity canceled. Here is minute per piece is 161. Estimated total time is 805 minutes. And that 805 minutes will get sent down to whatever workstation. So it starts subtracting that time, elapsing that time. And the operator can either be a person, it could be a work center, it could be a machine. The operator could be anything, or you can even put in like a work center A and put Larry's name in it. You can add, like say Mo's helping Larry, and we're going to be at work center. We're going to be starting this at work center A. So I can make those changes. So you have up to 3 operators. If you need more than 3 operators per work order, just let us know. We can make that happen. That is a feature in here. And down here in additional notes, I'm just breaking down our time for when that part should move from work center A to work center B to work center C. So after 210 minutes, that part should be moving into work center B. After 245 minutes, the part should be going into work center C, and that averages out to about 161 minutes per piece. Down here you have 4 transactions: start, stop, stop on hold, and stop complete. So to see it on our display, I can go down here and let's see, there we are. There's one of our sub-assemblies for the order. And there is our order right here for Rick's Roadhouse, WO SO 12-377. Line 3, we're building the widget. It's due on 11/17. We're building 5 of them. And over here you can see that Larry was the person who created it or hit the button in E-Z-MRP to have it build itself in XiXLogistics. Now, how do you create all the sub-assembly work orders for this? Well, in E-Z-MRP, you're going to use the work order automation tool. The work order automation tool is suggesting to you which work orders you need to build. So what I would do is I would just go into here and I would create these work orders. And when I create these work orders, just like it did on the demand side, it is going to auto create those work orders into XiXLogistics shop floor management system. So I'm going to go ahead and create my work orders. Okay, let's see here. Oh, there we go, create work order. Hitting the wrong button. And now if I go to my supply side, you go to my SA1, you'll see that that subassembly has been created. Work order SO12377, line 3 for 10. And if we go into our shop floor, we will see it here as well. And it is 12377. Here we go, 377.3, item 1. And that's our SA1 for 10. Now, what you're reading here, and you probably already know this, what information this work order is giving us is for the level which that part is built for, it is represented by how many backslashes you get. So this has 1 backslash, so it's telling us that's in level 1. It's for line number 3 of the order, and it's item 1 in that level. So it's item 1 in level 1 of the BOM. So we try and get these work orders as informative as possible. So that's how E-Z-MRP drives the shop floor management system. If you have any questions, please reach out, get a hold of me. I'll be happy to answer any questions. If you got any suggestions on what other data should probably be carried over to that for your personal needs, this software is highly customizable. So if we need to make some changes or add some features for you, let me know.